Are you seeing it? Come on now. Hi my loves, welcome back to my luxury girlies, my girls that love luxury but do not want to break the bank. Today I've got an amazing deal for you. It's a Hermes Kelly bag and oh my goodness, it's the cutest thing ever and I cannot wait to show it to you. If you love luxury fashion but do not want to break the bank while looking good, or you love cooking, you love slow living, you love beauty, you love makeup, everything girly, please stick around. Growth, self-development, stick around because even if this video is not your jam, my vlog surely will do something for you, hopefully. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an amazing company. I've showcased them here severally on this channel. They're called Wing Bags and they have gorgeous bags. Okay, I have a few bags from them and they have not disappointed in quality. These bags are pretty much the real deal, and let me put you on in case this is your first time. You know all the bags you mostly see, especially in this part of the world, okay? Sometimes, allegedly, these people go and buy this kind of bags and they come and sell it to you as a real deal at the tens of thousands of dollars when some of them are not even up to $1,000, $500, $300, $200. Wing Bags has a variety of bags for you to choose from, whichever your budget aligns in. This is how I'm getting all my big girl bags without breaking the bank. And when I tell you, feeling these bags in person here, the quality is just out of this world, amazing. Now, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is actually not a bag, it's glasses. I got my Miumu glasses from them, and this Miumu glasses is amazing, okay? This is the container it comes in. I have one Miumu from them, and I love that glass so much. If you watch my vlogs, you've seen me wear it a few times. So it comes with the regular what do you call this thing now? The silk, is this silk? The glass wipe thingy, so nice. And then this is the glass container care package book as well. And this is the glass case. You know, I love how this pink glass is, the casing. I love how Miu Miu's casing is this color. I really like it. It's like my alley. Now to the glasses. Are you ready? Oh my god. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Oh, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Like, wow. How are you going to talk to me? I have always wanted glasses that had these exact cut, this exact framing, and it is doing what I wanted it to do. Okay, it's looking like if you talk to me anyhow, I'm gonna cut you. Why are you chatting to me? Why are you chatting to me? Okay, that's what these glasses are making me feel like, so much of a bad bee, and love it. I love the shape, love the cut, love the print, the tiger, the animal print. I love the Miu Miu detailing. Can you see that there? Everything is just on point. On point. Wing Bags will get you right. I would wear my eyeglass to do the rest of the video, but I want to be seeing your eyes as you're seeing my eyes. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to be opening up is earrings, and the earrings are Chanel. Still from Wing Bags, of course, but these are Chanel dupes. It has a velvet purse in case you want it. Also came in a box, and these are just the most gorgeous earrings I have, pin earrings I have seen in a while. Let me just, these are what the Chanel earrings I got from them look like. Can you see how gorgeous these are? Oh my goodness, like the flowers are so pretty. I hope it's focusing on them. The flowers are so pretty. Goodness. Oh, it has like pinks and cream. Love it so much. This is definitely up my alley. So they do have designer earrings if you want to get accessories as well. Any brand you can think of right there. This quality is just so beautiful in my hand right now. It is so pretty. Goodness. Wow. 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 The bag came in this gorgeous box. It came in this gorgeous box. I love that it comes in a box because I can also store it. And like I said, if you want to give this as a gift, you have everything you need to give it out as a gift in here. Now, this is the bag, okay? It comes in this container. Taking it off. It also has like a card, receipts, you know, all of those very lovely bits. Love it. And this is my baby. I know she looks dainty and tiny and small, but I love her. I love her. This is so beautiful. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, a little commotion for the bag. This is my Hermes Kelly bag. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Craftsmanship on 100. Wing bag gets me right all the time. Can you see how pretty she is? Can you see how pretty this bag is? Oh my goodness, the craftsmanship is so beautiful. Let me know what you think of this baby. And what is your bag? What is on your bag wish list? I have ordered, like I play Secret Santa and I go in your comments and I've ordered for 2 people now and I have taken that out. This bag is so pretty. It can contain your phone. Just in case you want to try it out and hang the strap. It is so cute. I love when bags come with straps. This bag also has a strap. It can contain your phone. Okay. Like so nice. It can contain your ATM card. It can contain a small power bank. It can contain my DJI camera, I'm very sure. So it can contain a lot of good stuff and you just have your very pretty dainty bag. I'm going to get more bags in my dainty bag collection as well. But yeah, check out Wing bags. They are amazing. They have all this amazing stuff for you. Remember, I got my glasses. Let me put it back on because I really love them. I've been wanting to get them. Let me know what glasses I should get next. I feel like most glasses don't fit my face shape, but this one, when I saw it on someone, I knew I had to get it because she had similar features like me. Oh my goodness. And I love the filter, like the glass filter itself. I love it. But yeah. Come on. It's giving bougie. It's giving paid in dollars, pounds. It's giving I know my worth. I'm moisturized. I'm gorgeous. I'm worth $1 million. It's giving I don't want to stress too much. I'm just going to put only my card, my black card inside my bag and drive my black G-Wagon. It's giving all of those things and more. But yeah, check out Wing bags. I definitely recommend them. I love I love their websites. I think you should definitely think of purchasing from them. I love their websites so much. They have so many bags. This is not just really bag. They have every bag you can think of, different sizes, even like boxes. I think my next thing I'll get will be traveling boxes. So even my boxes, this is so pretty. Come on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video, butterfly. Stay amazing. I love you so much.